Big news coming in. Rhea Chakravarti has now been summoned by the CBI for questioning. Grilling any time from now. Rhea Chakravarti has been summoned by the CBI for questioning. The grilling is going to take place anytime now. Rhea Chakravarti has received a summons. Remember, Rhea Chakravarti has made a statement that the moment she gets a summons, she will approach the CBI office. She will head towards the CBI office, and here's Rhea Chakravarti now receiving summons from the CBI, all set to leave to the CBI office as well. CBI has summoned Rhea Chakravarti. So far, all the housemaids have been questioned, including Siddharth Pitani, Deepesh, Keshav, Neeraj. Of course, the chartered accountant of Sushant as well has also been summoned. He's been grilled for close to 10 hours. The money trail has been looked into. Here, Rhea Chakravarti's brother Shovik and father Indrajit Chakravarti also have been summoned. They have been interrogated just yesterday. It was Rhea's turn finally to appear before the CBI, and now we hear that the CBI has issued summons to Rhea Chakravarti. She will be appearing before the CBI anytime now. The grilling will take place anytime from now. Remember, Rhea Chakravarti has been accused of abatement to suicide. She's also been accused of cheating, money laundering, cheating, harassment, wrongful confinement. Several allegations put in by Sushant's family members. Tanushri Pandey joining us live for more details on this. Tanushri, take us through Rhea Chakravarti there now, finally receiving summons by the CBI. She's going to be heading to the CBI office anytime now. What more do we know?
Absolutely. In fact, all eyes were on this location. This is Rhea's Santa Cruz West Mumbai residence. And yes, the very fresh update we are getting is that Central Bureau of Investigation has finally summoned Rhea Chakravarti. And she should be, we are expecting her to leave her residence anytime now, because she was summoned by the CBI at 10 a.m. It's 10 right now, and we are expecting her to now leave her residence. This is Santa Cruz West in Mumbai, where Rhea Chakravarti, who is the prime accused as of now by the Central Bureau of Investigation, the agency. She lives here with her parents, with her father, with her mother, and with her brother, Shovik Chakravarti, who was in fact grilled by the CBI yesterday. Remember, Rhea Chakravarti's father was grilled by the Enforcement Directorate yesterday. So both their family members are being grilled by both the agencies. Meanwhile, today, finally, Rhea Chakravarti has also got the summon. We are now expecting her to come out, and we have been reporting, Nabila, that how, the CBI was questioning the prime witnesses, and on the basis of their questioning, an entire questionnaire has been prepared. Somewhat about 19 to 20 questions are in that questionnaire, and those questions will be, asked to Rhea Chakravarti. On that line of questioning, Rhea Chakravarti will be grilled by the CBI. Now, we don't know as of now that till when is this questioning will be going today, but we know for sure that it is going to be an extremely intense grilling by the CBI, because let's not forget that Rhea Chakravarti, as of now, there are major allegations on her, and as of now, she is the prime accused in the case by the agency. So she is going to be grilled intensively by the CBI, and now we are expecting her to come out anytime soon, because she has been summoned by the CBI, and she has to reach the CBI DRDO guest house, where all the other people concerned to this case are being questioned, Nabila.
Absolutely, Tanushri. Rhea Chakravarti there in her all-explosive interview to India Today said very clearly that the moment she receives a summons, she will appear before the CBI. Also bared it all about what really transpired, the equation that she had with Sushant Singh's family members as well as Sushant. She said that all those allegations made against her are baseless. Now with the CBI summoning her, Tanushri, what can we expect could be the line of investigation here, looking at the allegations, of course, put by Sushant's family as well? Abatement to suicide, which is spoken about in the interview with India Today. What more do we know? Will the CBI possibly be questioning her here?
Now see, three agencies are going to question. There is Narcotics Bureau, there is ED, there is CBI. Now the ED is probing the financial angle, the allegation made by Sushant's father that apparently Rhea Chakravarti has siphoned off 15 crores. So that's the financial angle is being taken care of by the ED. Now the Narcotics Bureau is going to look into the drug angle. Now comes to the CBI. The CBI is only going to look into the criminality of the case, Nabila. So what happened between 8th of June to 14th of June in these 6 days when Rhea Rhea Chakrabarti left Sushant Singh Rajput's residence, because let's not forget a most important thing, that as of now, the location where Sushant Singh's body was found, the house, there was Rhea Chakrabarti was not present on that location. So now the CBI will try to know more about what really transpired in these 6 days when Rhea Chakrabarti left Sushant Singh Rajput's house, and when Sushant Singh Rajput's body was found. His death occurred, which is on 14th of June. So what really happened in these 6 days is going to be the most important question. Whether it's a conspiracy, a murder, or an abetment to suicide, the most important question that will be asked to Rhea is that what really happened that she had to go, and what transpired.
Tanushree, do stay with us. We also have Rajdeep Sardesai, who spoke with Rhea Chakrabarti elaborately. Rajdeep, here is Rhea Chakrabarti now being summoned by the CBI. She's all set to leave her apartment towards the DRDO office. What could be the line of questioning? Her Sushant's family members still reiterate that she was Rhea Chakrabarti pushed him to suicide, eventually even killed him, is what the father of Sushant said just yesterday.
You know, Nabila, the fact is that Rhea Chakrabarti has prepared a full document, an entire docket of all conversations, all accounts, which she has already provided the ED, and we are told the same docket will also be provided to the CBI. In her interview, she has completely, in a way, changed the narrative, because she is saying, I left Sushant and on the 8th of June. Between the 9th and 13th, it was his sister who was staying with him, and he committed suicide on the 14th. It's not me who should be questioned, but there are family members who should be questioned. And the CBI, for its part, from what we gather, has also prepared a detailed questionnaire. They've already questioned all the people who, in that last week, were in and around Sushant, were at the house, saw him just before he passed away, and eventually saw the body. So they will have to match the version of those who've already they've questioned with that which Rhea has. But let's be very clear. Rhea seems to have a very strong, seems to believe that she has a very strong case. Till we heard her yesterday, we didn't know what Rhea Chakrabarti was all about. I think now we've got a sense about it. She is defiant, and she believes that she is speaking the truth. It is now for the CBI to find if there are any inconsistencies in the version that she has given us. And I think the sense I get is that the CBI is not in any mood for any hasty arrests here. This will take time, if at all there is any evidence against Rhea. As of now, Nabila, sorry, much of it has been in the realm of conjecture. So I think we have to wait a while for pronouncing anyone guilty or otherwise.
Right, Rajdeep, of course, the family members of Sushant still maintain that Sushant was drugged, he was confined, he was isolated. This is what they're reiterating time and again, even after Rhea Chakrabarti they spoke with India Today. The family members coming out to say that she surely has guts to come out even after being guilty of murder.
Look, you know, the narrative keeps changing, Nabila. As far as drugs are concerned, there is evidence that has also been provided, we are told, to the agencies of Sushant's drug problem. And there are questions. The agency has also been provided details of the reports prepared by various psychiatrists about Sushant's alleged depression. Now, the CBI will also have to look into all these factors. Remember, abetment to suicide is not an easy case to prove. And therefore, these new charges are coming of murder, of a drug connection, all of which need to be tested. At the moment, this is still, frankly, all in the realm of conjecture. The sense one gets is the CBI wants to match the version they have got from the various other individuals they've interrogated with what Rhea is saying. They are not at the moment in the mood to arrest simply because some TV channels may want to arrest Rhea Chakrabarti. My sense is that the CBI is going to proceed very cautiously. I know that a senior CBI officer has spoken to a senior Mumbai police officer and actually told that officer, your investigation was proceeding on the right.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.